For the 2019 Manchester Comic Con, I wanted to create an outfit and actually go on the Cosplay Stage. I decided to take inspiration from the gaming world. One of my favourite games was Metal Gear Solid 5. There's a character in that called a Parasite Unit, or Skulls. I like the look of them, but I did find a better version created by an artist called Cosplay Molnar, and he created these beautiful images, and I thought I'll base my outfit on that. What I thought I'd do is start with the most difficult thing I could see, which was the mask. I had to design it in 3D and print it on my 3D printer. It took quite a few generations for it to fit my face properly. But once complete, I was able to use filler, primer and paint and get the effect I want. The other part of the headphones, I approached that in a similar way, and these came together to make the headgear. To give myself a six-pack, I took some pipe insulation, carved them up, stuck them to a t-shirt. I then put another layer of material over the top and covered it with PVA glue, watered down, so when it dried it retained its shape. I also had to work with leather, breaking a lot of sewing machine needles, it was quite thick, to create this shoulder piece and the chest area, which I painted out white, and the arms and down the thighs. I knew the costume was going to be hot, so I created this cooling unit, printed some 3D parts around a fan, and created all these hoses that would go to different parts of my body and blow cold air around the suit to stop me overheating. I made some thigh pieces to bulk up my scrawny little legs out of leather as well. For the face, I made some tattoos, temporary tattoos, which I was able to apply. For the bolts in the head, I tried real bolts, but they were too heavy, so I made 3D printed some plastic ones that were a lot lighter, which I just glued directly to my head. Here's a finished look, and this is in the car park underneath the Comic Con. Here's the back pieces. You can see the fan box at the back blowing air around those hoses. And here I am in the show, walking through the area, and then finally here's me on stage. By the way, I didn't win. I think a young girl doing an anime character did a lovely little dance and mime to a song. A deserved winner, I'm not bitter.